to the no smoking and fasten seatbelt signs. Again, smoking, including the use of any electronic smoking device, is not permitted at any time. If the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign, that means you can get up if you need to. But we recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened whenever you're seated in case of unexpected turbulence. And one final reminder, please make sure you've put all your electronic devices in airplane mode and turn off their transmittal capabilities. Mahalo nui mo.
Nakikita kaya natin yung sa tanan.
Ayan, lumagpas na.
Dito pala tayo nakikita ganyan. Yung plane.
May Waikiki.